Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day weekend.
Happy Mother's Day weekend and happy Marlicious Gluten-Free Friday.
Happy Friday. I'm so excited. We're kicking off Mother's Day weekend with a very fun recipe.
A detox green tea, iced green tea.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a detox from all the food that I'm going to eat.
All the brunch foods.
I'm going to prepare for brunch in the best way possible. So yeah, what are we going to be putting in our tea?
So I've already been steeping some green tea, because it has to cool down a little bit. So 2 green tea bags, 2 teaspoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of Marukan's organic apple cider and rice vinegar drink blend.
So good. It is so... Apple cider vinegar can be a little harsh, but I think this is really smooth on the palate. It's really easy on the tongue.
It's drinkable.
It's definitely drinkable.
It's drinkable.
But I'm trying to get my apple cider vinegar in every day.
Oh yeah.
Always try to.
Yeah. And then 1-inch little piece of ginger sliced.
It's cute. So
Pretty
we just throw it
easy.
all in the tea? Or you put it in
Yeah.
our cups?
No, you throw it all in here and then
Okay.
you give it a little mix. Oh, I should get a spoonie.
I'm excited. All right. So what are your plans for Mother's Day?
Tomorrow, well, we're celebrating early. I feel like everyone is probably doing something on Saturday instead of Sunday. Because everyone's going to be busy on Sunday. So tomorrow I am seeing my mom and my sister. My sister's also a mother. She's bringing one of her daughters. We're going to the farmer's market and then getting lunch.
That's sweet.
And then my mom wants to go to Barnes & Noble.
Oh, fun.
So
I love that.
we'll be purchasing a Gluten-Free and More magazine there. Oh yeah, I can put this on here.
Check these out. I probably should have taken them out first.
Oh no, it's okay.
Well, that's sweet.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm also celebrating tomorrow. I have 3 generations of mothers. I have my grandmother, my mother, and my sister who's a mother. So get to celebrate lots of moms on Mother's Day. Yeah, it'll be sweet. We were planning on doing a little cookout by the pool, but it might rain. So who knows? Who knows where the day will take us?
I know, we're doing all outside activities and it's like, but the chance of rain is slim.
Yeah.
10% to 15%.
I know. My
So
mom wants
I'm running
to do
the risk.
Yeah. My mom wants to do brunch at home. We're going to be making eggs Benedict because my mom saw it on our blog. I thought that was sweet.
And it was really good when we made it.
It was delicious.
It was, you wouldn't think to put ponzu in hollandaise sauce, but it was actually quite delicious.
It was so
citrus.
good. It was just added this brightness to the hollandaise. And I'm not a huge egg fan, but I learned how to poach an egg, and I was so...
That was TJ's first poached egg.
Yeah, and it didn't turn out too bad. I think it turned out cute.
Did you like it?
I thought it was delicious.
Oh, okay. There you go.
So that's what we'll be making for Mother's Day.
Are you gonna make it?
My mom wants me to cook up.
You'll have to
chef.
send me a picture
Oh, I will.
and see how if it came out as good as the first time.
So maybe we'll also be making some teas.
Yeah, we don't have the straws out, so we can put those.
with our eggs Benedict. So we're gonna add some ice, and then you wanna do it? Sweet.
Then we'll be back.
Add some ice, and we'll be back.
So it's fresh.
So we have our ice. We are ready to go. We're gonna put some fresh garnishes inside. What do we have?
We're gonna do some lemon slices that we've cut. Oh, that was a thick one. We're not using that. Sorry, guys. That I cut in half so it fits the little glass better. It might be hard to get in there with all the ice. That's okay. We can just lay them in there. Come on.
Perfect.
And then I've got some fresh mint from the garden.
Cute.
I'm just gonna put on top.
Fresh mint makes everything better.
And then we'll do a little mint sprig at the end.
Okay, I'll add our tea. You can strain it if you don't want the ginger, but I personally like having the ginger. I feel like it gets
More gingery as you
more
can.
gingery.
Cute. Looks like a little
Sweet.
lemonade. It's honestly sitting at the bottom anyway.
Cute. Add some more. I love that.
Cute. It looks really cute.
It's so sweet.
And you have to put a little cute straw, of course.
I love that.
And a little mint sprig. Sorry, I touched the top of your straw.
Oh, it's okay. This is perfect if you guys don't want to do, alcohol. You're looking for more of a mocktail of sorts. This is perfect.
And it's healthy.
And it's cute. Look how sweet. Every mom would love this.
My mom doesn't like ginger.
Well,
But
we can sub that out.
yeah.
For something
I just won't
else.
tell her.
Okay, let's try. Cheers. That is so good. It's light.
My lipstick.
It's
color.
refreshing. It's perfect for summertime, which is just around the corner.
It tastes like a juice shot, but bigger.
I don't think it's as strong as a juice shot per se,
Yeah.
but it has the flavors. I love it. This is good.
Honestly, I don't ever really drink apple cider vinegar.
No.
I'm not like a shot a day queen. I have it in some drinks though, like it's just in
Some beverages.
Some beverages.
Yeah.
So, but this is good, and I could drink this every day, girl.
Yeah. It doesn't. What am I trying to say?
There's no bite.
Yeah.
It doesn't bite you back.
But this is delicious. I will be enjoying the rest
Actually,
of
it's
this.
really good. I like it.
That's really good. Well,
Yarm.
I wish we could enjoy this by the pool, but I will be doing this at my desk.
Yeah. Well, we can look at the pool outside.
And we'll have to make this for our moms this weekend at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everyone enjoy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. And we'll see you next Friday for another gluten-free Friday.
Wait, I have one more thing to say.
Sure.
This is Maralicious.
It is Maralicious. We love Marukan.
Shout out to Marukan.
Well, cheers everybody and enjoy your weekend.
And we'll see you next week.
All right. Bye.
Bye.